Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Tapwap to Tonkeeper wallet. So in here, we have in here a Tapwap. Make sure that you have your Tapwap on your Telegram as well as your Tonkeeper installed on your phone. Now from in there, make sure that we have in here our Tonkeeper. And the next thing we need to do is we need to head over and then add a wallet. So you should be able to also see it, the connect wallet on the Tapwap earlier. Click on this new wallet option and then from in there, make sure to connect the Tapwap from the app and then connect it through Tonkeeper using the button from the app right here. So from in there, you should be able to connect those both together and you should be able to get double balance as well because it will double your share balance with limited time offer. And then from in there, make sure to actually have it already connected in order to reflect it onto your account. This is how you connect Tapwap to Tonkeeper wallet. Hope this video helped you out.